Today I wanted to answer the question, what does EGR stand for? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, one of the things that some of you may not know about me is that besides being a certified technician, I'm also an ordained pastor. So EGR stands for something different for the mechanic side of me and the pastor side of me. I'll start with the mechanic side. EGR stands for exhaust gas recirculation. And one of the things that we have is we produce different gases and emissions that we want to get rid of. One of those harmful gases is called oxides of nitrogen. Oxides of nitrogen are produced in the combustion chamber when temperatures exceed about 2,000 degrees. So what we do is we actually take some exhaust, which is already burned gases, and we recirculate that exhaust through the intake manifold, and that lowers the combustion chamber temperature and reduces the oxides of nitrogen. So that's exhaust gas recirculation to reduce oxides of nitrogen. Now, from a pastor's perspective, EGR is a little different. Each of us knows somebody who's a little bit challenging to deal with. As a matter of fact, some days I'm pretty pleasant, and other days I might be EGR. And on those days that I'm grumpy and difficult to deal with, guess what? There's extra grace required. That's what EGR stands for me as a pastor. So I hope in all of your relationships, when someone needs some extra grace, God gives it to you so that you can give them the extra grace required. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.